For about $18, these KVIDIO Over-Ear headphones model WH201A offers wireless listening freedom, fast charging with up to 65 hours of playtime, and a built-in microphone for seamless switching to call mode. The product is also covered with an 18-month warranty. So let's quickly check this one out now, shall we? Welcome to ShouldIT Headphone Series. Hello everyone, my name is Ben Nguyen and welcome back to our ShouldIT Headphone Series. In this video, we're going to unbox these headphones from KVIDIO to see what is in the package when you order one online. We'll also be giving our first impression on the product's build quality, design, and its general features. So, let's get started. So we have here the user manual. Make sure to give it a quick look for understanding on the product's features and functionality. The USB-A to USB-C cable is for charging, and this aux cable 3.5mm allows you to use the headphones even when the battery is low or for zero latency if preferred. Plug it in here, and the other end into your phone, your laptop, or your gaming console. Before using these headphones, make sure that it's fully charged first. It should take no longer than 2.5 hours for a full charge. You can use any 5V charger or any USB-A port on your computer or laptop. Those should be perfectly safe for this. When it's charging, the LED over here should be red and it'll turn blue when the charge is full. Now the headphones. These look pretty nice. Yeah, and the build feels solid. Although it's not the best we've seen. Still very solid for the price though. Most of the build is plastic, so that's why they are notably light, only 0.44 pounds according to the official specs. Attention to details is also impressive, but try to be careful with these low-cost options because they are normally not built for tough conditions or careless handling. They do fold up quite nicely, you see, like so, which is good for packing. The ear padding has soft, comfortable foam and leather cover. Nothing special. Now we can turn the headset on by holding down this multifunction button in the middle. And it's blue, right? Press once to play or pause music or to answer calls. Hold it down if you want to decline a call entirely. These buttons to the side switch songs and adjust the volume when being held down. Now let's try them out. I connect these with my phones here to see if there's anything abnormal. I love listening to music, so let's see how easy these are on that front. I'll turn on Bluetooth on this Android phone. Let's try it with this iPhone here. Now, yeah, it is in pairing mode again. I'll turn on Bluetooth on this iPhone. Let's click on that. Yes, and that's connected. And yeah, the LED is off. Let's listen to some hip-hop first, some bass-heavy music.
Perfect.
Okay, that's pretty good. Now for some light music, you know. Guitar focus, just piano or guitar, not a lot of bass. Feel quite comfortable on my head. They're not heavy, so they stay on nicely. They're not tight on the ear as well, and the foams are comfy. The make of the buttons is impressive considering the price. As you can see, connecting Bluetooth is as hassle-free as they get, nothing unexpected. Sound quality is nothing to write home about, but definitely good enough for live music or podcast or just taking calls in general. All in all, this is quite good for the price if you want something that's low cost and simply does the job. And that's our first impression of these Bluetooth over-ear headphones from KVIDIO. If you like a more in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos and give us a like or share if you enjoy them. Also, consider buying from the link in the description to support us if you're interested in ordering the product. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you next time.